Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. In this video we are going to learn about how to add video in Amazon product listing. So first of all, log in your Amazon seller account, then click on these three lines. Now click on catalog, then click on upload and manage videos. Now click on upload video. Now select your video file like this. I am assuming that you already have a video for your Amazon product listing. The video should be in MP4 format or in MOV format, or it should be under 5 GB only. The recommended quality for the video is 480p or higher. Okay, so upload your video accordingly. Now write the title of your video. You can write the title of your video according to your wish. Now here copy paste the ASIN of the product on which do you want to add videos. Okay, then click on video type, whether it is product overview, unboxing, how to set up, troubleshooting or brand story video type. Select the language of the video according to your video and upload the thumbnail of the video. Okay, after filling all these details, click on submit. Right now I'm not submitting because I don't want to add video right now. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you.